It's launch day for the new Google Pixel 6 devices, and so today we're going to have a look through the unboxing of the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's tear these little suckers off. I think you'll find this a big change from the Pixel 5 for sure. Straight up you can see the design is very different. Love the colouring on this one. Let's take it out. You'll notice in the box some USB leads there. No wall charger though. It's one of the different things they've done. Just like what Apple has done by not including a wall adapter as well. So you've got a cable in there for charging, but you will need to buy the 30-watt adapter. Let's have a look at this screen. This is the 6.7-inch screen on the Pixel 6 Pro. Have a look at this design. If you look on side on, we have this visor sort of style camera jutting out from the back. Really nice premium look about it. Really nice metal finishing. Again, great view there of the visor style camera. Turning it on, there you go. It works. But overall, it is a great looking device. Very much premium style. As they say, it is inspired by premium jewellery and watches. And as you can see here, this is what the Pixel 6 Pro looks like sitting next to the Pixel 5. Very much different in design. Well, that's just a very quick look, opening up the box and taking a look at Google's new Pixel 6 Pro. It is priced starting from $1,299 and is available in 3 different colour combos.